Swimming. The activity of moving through water using one's limbs. Example: I love swimming in the ocean.
I love swimming in the ocean.
She enjoys swimming every morning.
She enjoys swimming every morning.
We're going swimming at the lake.
We're going swimming at the lake.
Swimming is a great full-body workout.
Swimming is a great full-body workout.
He's been swimming since he was 5.
He's been swimming since he was 5.
Let's go swimming after lunch today.
Let's go swimming after lunch today.
She is training for a swimming marathon.
She is training for a swimming marathon.
We had a fun time swimming together.
We had a fun time swimming together.
Swimming in the river feels refreshing.
Swimming in the river feels refreshing.
He won a gold medal in swimming.
He won a gold medal in swimming.
Running. The act of moving swiftly on foot. Example: I enjoy running in the park.
I enjoy running in the park.
Running is good for your health.
Running is good for your health.
They go running every morning.
They go running every morning.
He's fast when he's running.
He's fast when he's running.
Running helps clear my mind.
Running helps clear my mind.
She won a running competition yesterday.
She won a running competition yesterday.
Running with friends is motivating.
Running with friends is motivating.
I prefer running outdoors to indoors.
I prefer running outdoors to indoors.
He's been running since he was young.
He's been running since he was young.
Running can be a social activity.
Running can be a social activity.
Sailing. Traveling on water using sails and wind power. Example: We're going sailing on the lake.
We're going sailing on the lake.
She enjoys sailing in the ocean.
She enjoys sailing in the ocean.
Sailing requires skill and coordination.
Sailing requires skill and coordination.
They love sailing on weekends together.
They love sailing on weekends together.
Let's go sailing in the afternoon.
Let's go sailing in the afternoon.
The yacht is ready for sailing.
The yacht is ready for sailing.
She's taking sailing lessons this summer.
She's taking sailing lessons this summer.
They're planning a sailing trip abroad.
They're planning a sailing trip abroad.
Sailing competitions are held every year.
Sailing competitions are held every year.
We had a thrilling sailing experience.
We had a thrilling sailing experience.
Skiing. Gliding on snow using skis for sport or transport. Example: I love skiing down the slopes.
I love skiing down the slopes.
Skiing is a popular winter sport.
Skiing is a popular winter sport.
They're going skiing this weekend.
They're going skiing this weekend.
He's been skiing since he was young.
He's been skiing since he was young.
Skiing requires balance and technique.
Skiing requires balance and technique.
Skiing in fresh powder is amazing.
Skiing in fresh powder is amazing.
She's taking skiing lessons this season.
She's taking skiing lessons this season.
Skiing downhill is exhilarating and fun.
Skiing downhill is exhilarating and fun.
Skiing is a great way to exercise.
Skiing is a great way to exercise.
He enjoys skiing with his friends.
He enjoys skiing with his friends.
Kayaking. Paddling a small boat with a double-bladed paddle. Example: We're going kayaking on the river.
We're going kayaking on the river.
She enjoys kayaking in calm waters.
She enjoys kayaking in calm waters.
Kayaking is a thrilling water sport.
Kayaking is a thrilling water sport.
He's been kayaking since he was young.
He's been kayaking since he was young.
She's taking kayaking lessons this summer.
She's taking kayaking lessons this summer.
They love kayaking during sunny days.
They love kayaking during sunny days.
Kayaking in a lake is serene.
Kayaking in a lake is serene.
We had an amazing kayaking adventure.
We had an amazing kayaking adventure.
Kayaking helps connect with nature's beauty.
Kayaking helps connect with nature's beauty.
Kayaking is a great full-body workout.
Kayaking is a great full-body workout.